Cabinet restyling is the affordable option to making your kitchen cabinets new again, taking less time and costing less than a complete remodel. Here's how it works. We begin by removing all the old parts from your cabinet boxes. The next step is to sand down the cabinet boxes, removing any residual grease and gloss, creating a rough surface to bond your new custom V32 finish. Now that the cabinet boxes are prepped, we apply 1 coat of cement adhesive to the custom V32 finish, and then 2 coats of adhesive are applied to the cabinet boxes to allow for maximum bonding of your custom cut finish. Using a router, all excess material is trimmed away and all the edges are filed to ensure clean, uniform finish around your cabinets. Now that all the surfaces are finished, the new molding is added, as well as new concealed soft closing hinges, followed by the installation of your new custom-made doors, drawer fronts, and countertops. The final step is adding designer hardware on the new doors and drawers. Now your new kitchen is ready to be enjoyed for many years to come.